Hello hoppers, I filmed this a while ago, but I wanted to share it with you. Please stay safe during this time. See you and enjoy the video. So time to go back to the airport. Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. Today I'm in Bangkok airport. This is the official name. We have a flight to Frankfurt, but we have to stop in Vienna. We have a layover in Vienna and I'm going to show you guys the whole process. Okay, we have to figure out where we're going to check in. So at 12:50, that's our flight, Vienna, and we have to go to section E. So we have to go to E to leave our bags. So we are at E. There's Austrian there. A little note about suitcases. If you're going in economy, you're allowed one suitcase. Depending on the airline, it's going to be 20, 23 kilograms more or less. If you're going in business, you are allowed two suitcases. Because he's going in business, he's going to check in both bags. So we only have to do the check-in once. International departures to the right. International departure straight ahead. If you go through the priority lane, it's to the left. When I flew to Bangkok, right on the plane, I was given an immigration form. You fill out the arrival card, both pages, and the departure card. When you leave Bangkok, you present the departure card with your passport. Okay, so I went through security and passport control. No problem. Now I just have to find what gate I'm leaving from. So my flight is 12:50 going to Vienna, and I have to go to gate D3. D1 to 4, straight ahead. So, what are we getting? Red curry, green curry, yellow curry,
and
massaman curry. You buy 6, you get 1 free. Exotic fruits. Okay, so we got a bag of goodies here for presents. So D1 to 8, take the escalator down. To the right. It's raining! I thought they were actually cleaning the windows, but it's pouring out. Really pouring out. So here's our gate, D3 to Vienna. Scheduled time of departure is 12:50. It's with the airline Austrian, but it's also with Thai and also with Lufthansa. Shared. Have your boarding pass and your passport ready.
Do you have any luggage check-in? Any baggage?
No. Thank you. Okay, now we have to wait here until we board. I'm at my seat. I have an aisle seat.
Concerning your connecting flight from Vienna. The flight to Warsaw is leaving Vienna from gate F22, London Heathrow G26, the flight to Zurich F32, Frankfurt F4, to Bucharest
We have to go to F. Not bad. F. We have to pass security. Okay, follow the F.
Christoph.
We made it. Okay, I'm out of breath now. Let me explain what happened. That's okay? Let me explain what happened. Our flight was delayed. And we had very little time, like 40 minutes to go from 20 minutes to go from one plane to the next. So what they did was they announced the gates already on the plane, so we knew we had to go to F4. Also, they made people who had a connecting flight go to the seats in the front of the plane that were empty, so we were the first ones out. And we had to go through passport control, we were the first ones there, and security. So we had to go through everything. We did everything like in 10 minutes, I swear. And now we're gonna get the next flight. So we made it. Because we were the first ones online for everything, and we ran. That's what you have to do, okay? Luckily we were boarding at gate 4, so once we got to F, we only had to go 4 gates, so no problem. Here we are, like out of air, out of breath, but we made it. We even have time to spare. We can even go to duty free now. Not really. We're going to board in like 5 minutes. But that's what you have to do. You have to try and get to the front, try and get out as soon as possible. Be the first ones online through everything so you get out fast. So always make sure you're at the right gate. Passport and boarding pass. Twitch. 17C today.
gentlemen, welcome to Frankfurt. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the sign goes off.
So once you arrive to Frankfurt Airport, what you have to do, if you have checked baggage, is to look for the sign that says baggage claim. And I'll show you. So you can also go to the exit or the train stations. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, flight from Vienna, Fein, belt 7. Six, 7. I love this suitcase. Ooh. Okay, hoppers, my bag is here. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys real soon in the next one. Bye. Now sleep, rest.